Bobcats, and welcome to our Student of the Month Assembly. This month's character trait is fairness.
I am so excited to introduce Buster the Bobcat and Gigi.
Now here's our grade level chants. I'll say them and then you repeat after me. Kindergarten is Go Bethany. First grade is Go Bobcats. Second grade is We Love Buster. Third grade is Bethany's the Best. Fourth grade is We Are the Bobcats. Fifth grade is BOBCATS. Sixth grade is 2024. Seventh grade is 2023. And eighth grade is 2022.
Here's a word drop about fairness. F is for fair play. A is for always inviting. I is for including. R is for respectful. N is for never give up. E is for exceptional. S is for supportive. S is for sharing.
Here's Mrs. Wingo with the Student of the Month Awards.
Hi Bobcats, it's Mrs. Wingo with your Students of the Month for January. As you know, the character trait for January has been fairness, and these are the students who were selected by their teachers as Students of the Month for being fair. From kindergarten, Mrs. Hoptree's class, congratulations to Agostia Kulkarni. From Ms. Rosetto's class, congratulations, Jack Dawes. From Mrs. Uchiyama's class, congratulations, Arjun Chalail. From first grade, Mrs. Gregrich's class, congratulations to Niharika Pulakonda. From Mrs. John's class, congratulations, Surya Dinesh. And from Ms. Thomas's class, congratulations, Ayan Aurora. For second grade, congratulations from Mrs. Cabri's class goes to Nicholas Arana. From Mrs. Earhart's class, Brandon Logman. And from Mrs. Nicklaw's class, Caleb Cannondon. For third grade, from Mrs. Bingham's class, congratulations, Benjamin Reveltes. From Mrs. Carr's class, Nahal Zain. From Mrs. Vallen's class, Josephine Lee. And from Mrs. Wichman's class, Olivia Rudish. For fourth grade, from Mrs. Crawford's class, congratulations, Sasha Enriquez. From Mrs. Faulkner's class, congratulations, Pragnia Simhan. And from Ms. Keith's class, congratulations, Chloe Lotus. For fifth grade, congratulations from Mrs. Fernandez's class to Dylan Bison. From Mr. Motta's class, congratulations, Delaney Osman. And from Mr. Perugi's class, congratulations, Caleb Valdez. Moving to sixth grade, from Mrs. Kangus's class, congratulations, Drew Hovey. From Mrs. Mizuno's class, congratulations, Tulasi Mcthala. And from Ms. Wentz's class, congratulations, Zainab Umar. For seventh grade, congratulations from Mr. Hall's class to Beatrix Hunter. From Ms. Hawkins' class, congratulations, Kai Young. And from Mrs. Sotodenia's class, congratulations, Sanvi Banerjee. From eighth grade, from Ms. Gates's class, congratulations, Madison Rooks. From Mrs. Raffo's class, congratulations, Shreya Wanava. And from Mrs. Young's class, congratulations, Enzo Estrella. We're very proud of all of our Students of the Month. Great job, boys and girls. Keep up the good work, and we will celebrate more students in February. Bye. Hi, Bobcats. It's Mrs. Wingo, and I'm here with my friend Gigi to announce the ST Math winners for the month. As you know, we have 4 Gigis, and they spend the month in the classrooms that have the most progress for the month on the STMAP program. So here we go. Let's see who's keeping Gigi for the month. For kindergarten and first grade, the class with the most progress with 25% new syllabus completion is Mrs. Johns' class. So you will have Gigi for the month. In second and third grade, the class with the most progress is third grade, Mrs. Vallen's class with 13% progress. So Gigi's coming to stay with you as well. And for fourth and fifth grade, the class with the most progress with 12% completion over the last month is fifth grade, Mrs. Fernandez's class. The fourth Gigi goes to the room that has the most overall completion for the year, and that is with 85% syllabus completion, Mrs. Gregorich's class. So you will have Gigi for the month as well. Keep working on your puzzles, boys and girls. We're proud of your good work, and we'll see who gets to keep Gigi again at the end of February. Bye.
Now it's time to announce the Spirit Award winners. For K through second place is Miss Nicklock. First place is Miss Gregorich. For 3rd through 5th, second place is Miss Faulkner. First place is Miss Carr. Then, for 6th through 8th, second place is Miss Gates, and first place is Miss Hawkins.
Now it's time for a skit on next month's character trait, which is caring. Hey Carol, what's wrong?
They didn't let me play Foursquare with them.
How about you come and play with me and Tommy?
Thank you.
Wow, Ty, that was a great throw.
Thank you, Tommy.
Hey, Ty, nice haircut.
Thank you, Jordan.
You're welcome.
Those are 3 great ways to be caring.
I hope you all enjoyed our fairness assembly. See you next time, Bobcats. Teachers, they're all yours. Bye.